If you want to order elements in your array, then you can use array sort method for that. Let's say if I want to sort my scores array, which is a numbers array, and I want to sort these scores in ascending order. For that, I can call scores sort method for that. Let's try to do that. And then I'm printing all the scores in the console log using for each loop. If I refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to print my array in ascending order in the console log. It's going to print 35, 50, 80, and then 90. But let's say if I want to order my elements in descending order, then I'll have to pass the comparison function here. If I hover over this method, it's taking comparison function, which is a nullable function reference. That means you don't have to pass this function reference every time you want to call sort method. But whenever you pass this function, it's used to determine the order of the elements. It is expected to return negative value if the first argument is less than the second argument, 0 if they are equal, and a positive value otherwise. If you omit this function, then the elements are sorted in ascending order of ASCII character order. So if you want to sort your array in ascending order, you'll have to pass this as the comparison function there. But if I want to order in descending order, I can swap these values and the array will get ordered in descending order. Let's try to do that. For that, I'm going to pass the comparison parameters here, which are a and b, and then I want to return b minus a. And now if I refresh the page and click on submit, it's going to order my array in descending order. It's going to print 80, it's going to print 90, 80, 50, and then 35. But if I try to do this on names array, which is a string array, that's not going to work because strings don't understand what this minus sign is. I'm going to try and do that and see what happens. If I refresh the page, click on submit, nothing is going to change in that array. It's going to print like how it is right now. But if I want to sort it, I can sort it in ascending order by passing no parameters, and then refresh the page and click on submit. It's going to sort my array in ascending order of the ASCII character. But if I want to order it in descending order, I just have to call its reverse method for that. And now if I refresh the page, click on submit, it's going to order in descending order of this array. So this is how you can order your string arrays in ascending and descending order. With that, I'm going to stop talking about arrays and move on to something else. But there are few methods that I did not cover in this tutorial, like copy within or entries or last index or keys. There are some methods. We covered most of the methods in this tutorial, but there are some methods which I haven't covered. But you can check out this article and try these functions yourself. We need to move on to some different topics in this tutorial. In the next section, I'm going to talk about data objects.